How to play Among Us on mobile. So what you have to do firstly is once you log into Among Us, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it says play. Now from here you have two options. You have local or online. So we're gonna have to go with online. Now from here you have two options. You could either create a game and invite all your friends. You could join a private game which your friends created and you could join that. Or you could join a public game, which most people do. Once you click on public game, you have many options you could choose from. For example, this one right here, you want to scroll down for a bit where there's not a lot of people, but there's a decent amount of people. So as you guys can see, the 4 out of 10 every single time, even if there's a lot of people, you could always refresh. So as you guys can see, you have 13 out of 15 people. So I'm going to join that one. And you guys can see it said the game you tried to join is full. So make sure you join a game that's not a lot of people. So I'm going to just go with find game. And I'm going to join this one right here, 8 out of 14. And trust me, it's not going to be full because there's a lot of people, but it's not at the point where it's going to run out. So try to join a game where there's decent amount of people. Mostly around 5 out of 14, 6 out of 14, 8 out of 14. But make sure if it's super close, they're not going to let you in. It's going to say the game is full. So if this would have helped you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.